Hello viewers, here is a vintage ColdSpot 154 oscillating fan. This is made in America by the Signal Electric Manufacturing Company in Menominee, Michigan. And it's rated for 110, 120 volts or less. That does seem to say AC and DC, which is kind of interesting. And it looks like it's going to be 30 watts. So that's definitely kind of an odd power rating. Usually alternating current and direct current aren't interchangeable as far as I know it. This looks like it was modified at some point. I tend to think this is not original, this switch. It's got a replacement cord on it, so somebody was definitely in there at some point over the years. And this just doesn't seem original. It's got a nice felt bottom on it to reveal a very shiny bottom plate, which I also tend to think may not be original. And it's a neat little piece. I don't know if it's cast iron, probably is, or some very heavy metal. It's a heavy little fan. It looks like it's a constant oscillation, or perhaps this operates like a clutch, if you will, and you can loosen this to disengage it, perhaps. I don't know if it's the case or not. You know what? This is actually, oh my goodness, huh. No wonder it can take direct current. This is an induction motor. I thought it was just going to be a regular old shaded pole motor. It's an induction motor. And these are the brushes. Well, that's very curious. I didn't even notice that when I bought it. That's very interesting. Bearings are tight. That could also be a combination of the brushes. Switch it on and let's plug it up. It sounds very tired. It needs to be serviced. Moves a decent breeze, as all of these did. Doesn't seem to be oscillating. I'm not sure exactly why. I don't see any movement of anything in the gearbox that we can see, so perhaps there's some major malfunction in there. Alright, I'm going to switch it off now. Spin down time is very brief. Well, that's certainly a very interesting little fan. Let's see if I can get a closer look into the motor. It's pretty dark in there, so this probably isn't going to come out very well, but I will try. See, actually it's coming out pretty good. You can see the focus on the right thing, please. Daggone it. It will focus in there. There we go. You can see the oh, that looks nasty. You can see the commutator and the right there. A little dust in there or something. So that's interesting. Curious little fan. Well, we'll get in here someday and clean this up and restore it back to the beauty it once was when it was made many years ago.